Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on the metric system, length. One of the most popular systems of measurement around the world is called the metric system. It is a system based on multiples of 10 with respect to measuring distance, mass, capacity, and area. Some of the more common units used and how they are converted into other units are the following. With respect to distance or length, 1 kilometre is 1,000 metres, 1 metre is 100 centimetres, 1 centimetre is 10 millimetres. The abbreviations for distance are as follows. The kilometre is km, the metre is m, the centimetre is cm, and the millimetre is mm. So let's look at some lengths in real life. We're all familiar with a pen. This is a fountain pen here. It's a very special pen. So the above pen is between 14 centimetres and 15 centimetres long. This is between 140 millimetres and 150 millimetres if we do the conversion. This small leaf is about 3.5 centimetres long. This converts to 35 millimetres. The large truck above is between 18 metres and 19 metres in length. The approximate dimensions of a tennis court are shown above. So it's about 24 metres long and approximately 8 metres wide. And we're all familiar with the marathon. It's a long distance race. Sometimes we see it in the Olympic Games and in other countries and other events. A marathon race is about 42 kilometres. So it's quite a long way. You have to be very, very fit. Large distances between towns and cities are measured in kilometres. So you can see here, it tells you from this particular place, wherever this place is on the highway, the distance to all these towns is shown in kilometres. So we have some exercises for you here, and you'll have time to write the answers on a sheet of paper. And the answers to these questions will be on the next slide. So you've got 10 questions here. I'll just do the first few for you. I'll just say them and then I'll give you 10 or 15 seconds to look at them. So 2 kilometres is how many metres? So you just write the answer here. 3,500 metres is how many kilometres? 4 metres is how many centimetres? So you just read the rest of them at your leisure and just write the answers in the spaces, but I'll leave it to you to pause this slide for as long as you want until you write all the answers, and then you'll see the answers on the next slide. So I will proceed to the next slide in about 15 seconds. Now here are the answers on the next slide. So see how you go. Pause the slide for as long as you want to check how you went with your answers. And hopefully you went okay. So this video has just introduced the basic units of length or distance, and we've just seen some conversions. We've done a few exercises to help with our revision.